Hello guys, welcome to my SEODITY review. A few of you reached out and asked if I would do a review on this, so here we are. I've already signed up to a free trial. You actually don't have to put in your credit card. A lot of these tools, to get their free trials, you do have to put in a credit card information. So looks like they're going to give a couple-day trial out to test it out. That'll be nice. I'll show you the back end. What is SEODITY? Well, it's basically a competition research tool. You'll be able to spy. SpyFu comes to mind, which is heavy on looking at the competition and what they are doing in their marketing. They're also saying that it's an alternative to ahrefs, SEMrush, and Mangools, which is very heavy keyword research focused. We'll see what kind of tools SEODITY offers in the back end, if it's keyword research heavy, or if it spies on the ads from your competition and so forth, right? And then also it's best for marketing agencies, SEO specialists, and small businesses looking for an easier way to level up SEO strategies. Obviously, if you build niche websites, things like that, this will also come in handy as well. You're looking at a license tier 1 is $79. They do have license tier 2, 3, 4, 5 goes up to $449, but it starts at $79. So right in the middle of the pack. There's a lot of tools that start around the $59 price range. So they are a little bit up on that. We have reviews. We're at 5 tacos right now. It's pretty early on in their debut on AppSumo. We'll come through here. So you get lifetime access. You'll get unlimited projects, unlimited domains, weekly technical and SEO analysis, daily keyword research. Now, it's really going to be about how many web pages. That's what I really like about this, looking at it, is that they're not going to limit you to only being able to look at like 5 domains. You're going to be able to put any domain you want in there and actually do research. So that's really cool. When you have ahrefs or SEMrush, there's also no limitations on you can stick any URL into their tool and do analysis, but the amount of data that's coming back is what you really have to be aware of. And in this case, you'll get 25,000 web pages that you'll be able to analyze, 300 keywords. I don't know what 300 keywords means. If that's 300 keyword researches per month, that's pretty good. I think that's pretty generous. You probably, let's say you do your keyword research once a week and you stick in 20 keywords or something like that. You're not going to really hit that, but the 300, but I'm not really sure what that means. But usually that's what that means, is that's how many searches you get per month. You can analyze 20,000 backlinks, 10 competitors at a time is what it sounds like. 250 on-demand, on-site analysis per month, and so forth. So it seems, just from the surface level, it seems like a pretty good deal on the license tier 1. And so forth. So they just launched. I really don't know my way around still. I don't like this, but you can always come up to the top and just push reviews. And it's looking like, people are liking this tool. So let's go jump in. Here's what their pricing on their site will be. If you go and sign up for a trial, then you're going to end up paying for this, or just come back. Hopefully you'll come back to my video if I bring any value to you. Then you can come back. If you sign up to a trial, just come back to my video and purchase it through my link. It helps support LearnWire, helps me to continue creating these reviews, spending all this time creating these reviews for you guys. It's a little pricey, this tool, $89 a month for the bronze package. So you're not really saving a whole lot of money. Their competitive pricing, in comparison to ahrefs, starts around $99 a month, and SEMrush about $129 a month. So they're, $89. That's pretty pricey for a tool for their lowest tier. But these are the prices that you would have to pay if you don't pick up the lifetime deal. Okay. So we're going to come up here and, I'm already logged in. I just signed up to this account, and I'm going to go ahead and analyze one of my big sites. You put in your website right here. It check marks all the boxes of all the different ways that someone could search for it. We have it in there. And then they do have an advanced settings over here. All kinds of, you can actually limit it. That's really cool, just so you guys know. If you only want it to analyze the first 100 pages or something like that of a site, then you can actually come in here and set all these different whitelist, blacklist, all kinds of good stuff. So I like that, but we're just going to say next step. And so what it's going to do is we can track keywords. We can add some different keywords that are bringing in traffic to our site. So we'll just kind of grab a couple, trying to get ones that are completely different. It's also saying, oh, it's time to upgrade. Okay, so you can only do 3 keywords right now. But it actually identifies some new keywords for my site that are newly ranking. So far, right off the bat, it seems like it's got a pretty intelligent algorithm. I will say that because it's this is true. Some of these newer keywords it's finding that means that this stuff is very new. I didn't even know that I was ranking at all for Robinhood affiliate program. I must have that in one of my posts that I hired a writer to write. But super cool. So we're going to push the start analysis button. We can say United States. We can choose our region and so forth. But I'm just going to say start United States. It's going to go and do its thing. Welcome to SEODITY. Congratulations on adding your first project. We will help you find a marketing strategy for your project that brings you significant traffic quickly. Find out how to bring new customers. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and watch this video so I can bring the best review to you guys. Okay, perfect. So I just watched their tutorial video. So really what this tool does is it really is like an ahrefs or SEMrush. And for it to be a new tool and to have all these features, it's pretty exciting actually, because I've seen some other tools like this, but they just don't have a clean interface. Right now, I'm very impressed with the interface, the UI for this, the design. It's super fast. It's clean. The graphics, everything just looks, it's very easy to navigate to where you want. And you just come up here to the top and those are your main tools. So, so far, I really just like the crispness of the tool. It's going to say different top keywords for your website, or by country. We can also see, so 73% of the traffic is coming from the United States there. And then we have our top keywords. So we have 186 keywords in the top 100 right there. It's going to tell you where your domain rank. I don't know what this is based on. This is a domain authority score based on the backlinks report. This is their own algorithm because the domain, it's not like a DA of 0 to 100 like we normally expect. So I don't really know where they get this. What does 163 mean? Is this on a, does it go up to 1,000? So this is one thing that I'm not really sure what the domain rank is. Because it is a domain authority score. What we're normally used to is DA. That's stands for domain authority score. And usually that goes from 0 to 100, 100 being the top domain authority, right? Like it could rank for anything it wants to. And when a new website starts off, it has no authority, it has 0. But right here, for this to be 163, I just don't know what that means. But I just wanted to kind of put that in there. Once we kind of figure out what the scale is, if it's out of 1,000 or something like that, then you kind of know where you're at a little bit. Organic keywords, 286 is what it's saying right there. Okay, yeah, that would mean 100. So this would be all these countries and everything combined. We have 286. It's saying that it's already picked up a trend of we've added 10 more spots. Organic traffic. So right here, organic traffic is 175. So I know I'm getting like 2,500. So I don't know where this comes from, but that's maybe, these tools take a while to kind of update. I don't have access right now to ahrefs. I come and go with ahrefs as far as paying for membership and stuff, but I'd be curious to see where my traffic stats fall right now on these tools. But we already know that they're usually always underperforming when it comes to traffic, and almost everybody would agree with that. So like, for example, you look up a site and it's saying that it's getting 30,000 visitors per month. Even on SimilarWeb, we click over here and we get information. Usually we get information if you're actually getting a lot of traffic to your site, then it will register in SimilarWeb. But a lot of times it's just really a low end estimate. Usually it can be like 4 times more than what these tools are saying. In this case, we're looking at like 20 times more or something like that. But it does try to give an estimated paid traffic, backlinks, and referring domains. That's pretty close. I know I have more like around 650, 700 backlinks, so it's not picking up everything, but still pretty good stuff. If we wanted to go and look at the different keywords and stuff, we can actually show more. right here, and we can actually look at the different keywords, right? Like where it's currently ranking. I love how it's picking up all this stuff. Check more organic traffic right here. It can say what the traffic potential is, the search volume right here, and so forth, right? And then there should be a button up here where we can actually check the paid traffic as well. I'm going to come down here, and you can look at the top keywords by country. We can come back over here as well and look from there as well. So I thought I saw somewhere where we're supposed to be able to look at the paid traffic. I'm going to click on that, but we don't have paid traffic right here. I wanted to, so what that means is if we were looking in, we'll put in a competitor here in a little while, but we should be able to look somebody up and see if they're actually running ads on their site or not. I'm going to go back over here to domain overview again, and I'm not really sure where it says start analysis because we've already kind of ran this. I think right here it's just saying like, oh, we can switch and put in another, and that's actually what I'm going to do right now. I think it's I think that this is one of my competitors. I'm going to go ahead and throw that in right there. Yep. So we're over here and they don't have any paid traffic. They're not running any pay ads. Organic traffic right here. They're getting a ton. They have a 700,000 value per month. It's just insane. 60,000 keywords and a domain rank of 350. Again, I don't know what that means. Let's go to somewhere where we know they might be running ads. Let me go find a site real quick. I'm going to try one right here. Credit.com. Okay, so we found one. So when I put in credit.com, they have $1 million a month estimated traffic. Just insane, right? An insane domain. Let's actually see what 451 means for basically if I come over here to the ahrefs DA checker. We can actually check this for free, guys. And I'm going to go and put in credit.com and see what ahrefs says that their authority is right now. So they have a domain rating of 79. And let's see over here. So 79 and it's a 451. So it wouldn't be, I don't think it would be based on 1,000, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we just know that anywhere over 400 is going to be like insane domain ranking in this tool. I don't really like I wish that it would just be what we're all familiar with is the Moz DA rating. But I kind of have to look past that. Maybe they will add that into their tool. But you can see over here there's paid traffic, right? So they are running ads, and you can go and click on paid traffic, and then we can actually come in here. And this is where the spying on your competitors actually happens, right? So we can come over here, ranked keywords, new keywords. We can see what ads are currently being ran. So right here, look at all these ads. This is one of the really beauties of the software that's exciting. You find a competitor, let's say you're running ads for specific products, something like that. You're like a heavy affiliate marketer and you want to see on a weight loss product, for example, who's running ads. You can actually see, you could go and click on their offers, see what their landing page looks like. You can see what their titles are and what pages they're running ads to. I mean, look at, they're running pages, they're running a lot of ads, and they have a ton of ads. So that's super cool. You can also see when they come out with new ads. So these are their newest ads that they just started up. We can also go and look at that. There's 53. So they're running heavy ads right now with Google advertising. Let's go new keywords. So these, let's see, I'm not really sure if these are like new keywords that they're ranking for or what, but these are all new keywords for the site that they're starting to show for, or new keywords that they're actually going after in their advertising. So I think that that's very powerful right there. I really like it. It's very straightforward. Again, we can click on organic traffic and they're getting, 819. So we know that they're getting over 1 million visitors. Let's see what SimilarWeb says. So they're saying they're at 800,000 for organic traffic. I'm going to go over and I'm going to click on their website and then we're going to see what SimilarWeb says real quick. So we're on credit.com and then I'm just going to go up to my handy tool over here and they're saying that they're getting 771,000. So this is actually very accurate, 771. 800. So it's within the realm. It's 30, 40. It's about 50,000 traffic in that same range, and we're talking about hundreds of thousands of visitors. So it's pretty accurate, in line with Similar Web. So that's really, really good. Keywords right here. I want to see. We can actually go and add these to the rank tracker if we wanted to track them for ourselves. And here's the 772,000 words right here. So there's a ton more, but you have to actually be able to look at the keywords. So right now it's only giving us access to like 10 keywords. I'm not really sure if we have a plan. Is it going to unlock all of those keywords to us like we would be able to in ahrefs? I'm hoping, because then you could do some serious keyword research with this tool. Some serious keyword research. It looks like they have their own KD, keyword difficulty algorithm, difficulty of ranking in the first top 10 organic results for a keyword, obviously 0 to 100. So they have it like a 27 is in green, but you probably want to, in some respects, this kind of correlates with your domain rating. So like if you have a DA of 25, then you could probably go for this keyword. But like if you have a brand new site, a DA of, 5 or something like that, you probably still can't rank for this one right here. So you just kind of want to know about that. But so far, very, very robust tool. I'm so glad you guys recommended this tool for me to put together a review, because I'm very impressed with this tool. I'll probably have to pick this tool up. I'm just like you guys, at some point you're like, okay, I got to stop spending. I got to stop buying these tools. But this is so far one of the coolest keyword research and SEO tools that I've seen on AppSumo ever. I'm actually going to say that. So, and I've looked at a lot of them. This one's very impressive. And I haven't even gotten to the other tabs. I'm going to try to speed through these other ones. Let's go on site. SEODITY, haven't analyzed all your pages yet. We have 54 warnings. I need to get to that. 29 errors, 23 notices. It's going to tell us some different things that, wow, it does a full analysis of your on-page technical errors, which is really, really good. We can come through here, low word count. So if I come over here and click on the low word count right here, it's going to go and take some of these, and these are actually category pages. So it's actually telling us words count. I'm not really sure if this is telling us how many words we should have, or if that's just the word count that it's picking up on the page. But that's okay. I really don't need to fix these, because these are category pages and then the home page. So I really don't need, maybe the home page, I need to add some stuff if I want to start ranking for my home page, but we know we rank pages and not our home page. So that's really cool. Keywords Cloud performance. Let's see what Keywords Cloud says. Here is an overall Keywords Cloud as well of all your pages on your site. Super cool stuff. All right, so that is really good. They're covering all of the bases that you would expect and want in an SEO tool. So Content Explorer, we're going to come over here, top pages, domain comparison. So this is where you can go and kind of do a domain comparison. So we're going to say, okay. So that's where you add your domains. We have the two. So they're ranking for 36,000 keywords. I'm ranking for not even 200 according to the tool. This is just for fun. I'm obviously not even close, but I know Financial Wolves, like a year ago or something, their site completely took off, because at one point I was looking at their site and they were only getting like 100,000 visitors. It looks like they've almost 10x'd that in the last since the pandemic started. So top 10, all that kind of stuff. So it actually gives you a nice quick overview, and you can keep adding more competitors. So this is really cool. You can actually see where you kind of rank with some of the sites that you might want to go after. You also want to find some sites that are just like a couple steps ahead of you, that are a lot smaller, maybe getting like 30,000 visitors a month, and I can model after them, and I can put them in right here as well. And then you can just click on this and it's going to take you to all those stats. Content Explorer, top pages, and you can see which pages are getting, look at this, they have a traffic above 1,000, descending order. Okay, we have to upgrade for those special features like that, but you can see right here, the different, like this page right here is ranking for 623 keywords, organic traffic, they're getting a ton. So this is where you can really, truly pick apart your competition, because this is telling us that this page right here is getting the most traffic And this is just a massive site. So they've got hundreds of blog posts that are ranking, but they really don't have a page that is getting, just tens of thousands of visitors. And this truly tells you that that model of, a lot of content on your site, a lot of blog posts can still work. But you can pick apart these keywords, and see like they're ranking for 600 keywords and getting over 4,000 visitors from this one blog post right here. So you can actually push show more. And again, you can see if there's paid traffic, if they're running ads. No, they're not getting any ads to this. This is what they're all ranking for. So you can actually pick apart, you can grab all these keywords and go and put together a content brief and say, include all these keywords in the content. So, this is what I was saying. Like I was thinking that this was like SpyFu where you can just pick apart your competition, but this is a full-fledged SEO suite of tools where it's very heavy on, what you would expect keyword research. It's very heavy on competition analysis, and then it has the technical SEO aspect. It has everything. So it has rank tracking built in. It has everything. This is just insane, guys. It really is. Rank tracker over here. I don't know how many we would be able to with the lifetime deal. It wasn't really like listed what we would want to see it. And I've only been on this review for 20 minutes, and it's already picking up. We're ranked number 2 for makes money singing online. And it's going to tell us all the information, the changes and all that stuff. I just don't know how many keywords they're going to let us add to the ranker. That would be nice to find out. Let me go see if, okay, right here, it's going to let us, well, out of 100 today. Yeah, I'm just looking through here, double checking their website and AppSumo, and it doesn't really specify how many keywords you can track in the tool. When I'm looking in here, it's looking like it might be 100, which is pretty common with the tool that you just get to track 100 keywords. I'm not really sure how many you actually get, but there is the rank tracker as well. Keyword research. Let's come back to that in a minute. Let's go to backlinks real quick. We're on credit.com. It's going to tell you what the backlink profile looks like. It just keeps going up on this site right here. Do follow 200,000, no follow 150. Just kind of gives you an overview. The graphics look really, really good. The way that they show this on the screen, the way that they're giving this, what I really like about this, guys, is, it's not just one thing. It's one thing to include all these tools in your software. But it's another thing to be able to actually display this, how you actually present this and display this to the end user is another thing, right? So that is very heavy on the UI design. And I think they've done a really good job with this. It's very simple, very easy to get to where you want to. There's not this left menu bar over here and then the top menu bar as well. Again, very nice graphics, just a little bit of an outline around each box and stuff. Super clean lines, clean font. This looks like it was made in 2022, right? It doesn't look like it's made, 6-7 years ago or 10 years ago, which some of the tools, have to admit come out like that and they're brand new and it's kind of like yikers, right? So this one is beautiful inside and out. Also comes with a full punch and a full suite of tools. So you can actually go look at the referring domains, the anchors. I'll click on the anchor text right here. We'll see what this looks like. Okay, so here's all the anchor text right here, how many times it's been used and so forth. Again, we're limited on what we can see because of our trial, but still, they're very generous on the trial. They give you enough to, basically fall in love with the tool, and then you can go and get it. So you guys probably aren't going to need to go and do a trial anyways, because I'm showing you it all right now. Hopefully this is convincing enough for you guys, you heavy SEO people that don't want to pay for ahrefs. This is definitely an amazing tool. And then here's the referring domains and things like that. So super cool. And then let's go back to the keyword research and then we'll end the review. So keyword suggestions, keyword ideas, and then related keywords. So much like all tools, they actually put these in different categories. So they're very specific, on point are going to be right here. And then you have a little broader keyword ideas and then related keywords. So we're going to come over here and then let's just say make money online. For some reason, that's one of the only, that's the first one because that's a heavy niche that I'm in. I like to use that one, but there, of course, you can put camping in here. Let's actually do a different one, guys. Let's do camping. I'm just going to say camping right here and push search. I need to come up with more topic ideas, guys. Okay, so camping. So showing results 1 to 15 from 334,000. So I like this tool. There's a lot of tools that have come out, keyword research tools that come out, and they give you like 400 suggestions for like camping, right? And we already know that there's hundreds of thousands of keywords that revolve around the word camping. And so to see that this tool gives us 334,000, I want to do a quick test real quick with Ubersuggest. I'm going to go into Ubersuggest. I think I already have it open. I'm going to say camping right here. We're going to say search. I just want to see kind of what the database that they're providing looks like in comparison with Ubersuggest. So Ubersuggest is finding 800,000 related keywords, but suggested is only 444 specific keywords. So on keyword suggestions, we've got 300,000. Let's move over to related keywords right here. So it's only giving us 9. So these don't really mean the same thing is basically what I'm seeing. Keyword ideas is at 54,000 and keyword suggestions. So they have a pretty big database at 334,000. But Ubersuggest would win as far as the larger database because we can come over here to related, right? And, you know, this is all has to do with camping. Anything that mentions camping is in here, 800,000 keywords, huge database, but still I am impressed that this isn't just like 50,000 keywords. It's over 300,000 keywords. It's going to give you the KD that's already in their database. We don't have to push buttons to look it up. I like that. Cost per click and search volume. Pretty straightforward keyword tool. You can click on over here and let's see, you can add to rank tracker or export and so forth. So I showed pretty much all the keywords or all the main tools. You can also click on the settings button over here, on-site competitors, integrations, reports, and so forth. So they even have reports and all that. So overall, very, very impressed. And then here's where your resources right here. Yeah, I still don't see where they have the how much keyword rankings you can look up or have in your database, but still. So overall, the only thing that I didn't really like about the tool was that the domain rank, they have their own score, 451. It's not like a DA of 26 or something like that. So that's the only thing I don't really like. But you'll have obviously. Mine is you would quickly learn the tool and the ranges. If it's in the 20s, you're going to have like in the hundreds over here. In the 70s, you're going to have in the 400s. So you're going to kind of understand the range, obviously, of the domain ranking. And then really, it doesn't matter too much because you're going to know based on the organic traffic and the keywords that this is a big, giant site right here, credit.com. So overall, this gets a 2 thumbs up from me. Very, very impressed with the tool. I'll probably be going and picking up just the license tier 1. I don't think I need much more than that. But it's tier 1, $79. If you're a heavy SEO person, you're probably going to want to go all in on this tool. I'm very impressed with this tool. This is the coolest SEO tool that I have seen since I've been doing reviews and I just know that after doing a full in-depth, almost 30-minute review video inside the tool. This one is a keeper. This is definitely a top recommended tool. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. If it brought value to you, if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe to LearnWire because I come out with in-depth reviews like this. I do a little different style. I just push record and just start recording. There's not like a polished review. If that's your style where you want a 10-minute or less video, then that's not this channel. I do a deep dive into these tools and show you everything. And then I also usually do follow-up videos with I take recommendations. I look at the comments. If you guys want me to do more videos on SEODITY, that's great. If I pick this tool up, you can almost guarantee I'll be doing more videos on SEODITY. So thanks again for watching. Hit that like button. Click that first link below to go pick up SEODITY while it's on LTD on AppSumo. I'll see you guys next time.